welcome to my channel. Today we have a huge Sephora haul. I made lots of purchases online and in store, and these are all from the Sephora savings sale. I bought a lot of Restock and then also a lot of makeup to try. I'm getting married next month and it is a destination wedding, so I got some travel items. So the first thing I'll start off with is skincare. I got this Caudalie set. It's the dark spot brightening set. This bottle is like a full-size bottle and it's already like $82, but with this set you get like these two extra for free, so I thought it was a good deal. I also have other Caudalie products that I really love, so I wanted to try this one as well. And for the restocks from Caudalie, I got this serum and then also the firming cashmere cream. So this is what it looks like, and then this is the original bottle it comes in, and then this just comes in a tube, and then you just snap this right here and then refill the bottle. I like this serum a lot because it acts like a retinol, but like regular retinol is like too harsh on my skin, and I love how this is just like perfect amount and it's like not too sensitive on my skin. And this cream is like very light and it does feel like a cashmere, like just a nice hydration, and it's not too like glossy of a finish, so I really like this during the daytime. From Laneige, I got a restock of the cream skin like toner. This is the refill for this, and I love the mist that they have, so I got it in a travel size as well for the wedding. I know I can just like put it in any mister, but I really love their misters that they have. Like it's actually like misting. I've had other like spray bottles where it's not this like fine mist that you get. So I got this one. It's so cute. I can't wait to use it. From Kate Somerville, I got these cleansers. This one is my favorite cleanser. It's the Daily Foaming Cleanser. It's like their acne treatment cleanser. It has 3% sulfur in it, and then I also got the mini one as well for traveling. This one doesn't really smell good, but it works so well. I used to have like a lot of dots or like a lot of bumps like around here and then also here, and there isn't any other cleanser that like feels like it's actually helping with my acne besides this one that I've tried. So I restocked this one and then just got a mini version. And then I also wanted to try this other cleanser. I think this one has like little microbeads in it, I think. I'm not sure, but I just wanted to try this one as well because I do need like some physical exfoliants. I think my skin has like a hard time like renewing the dead skin, so I need to have like exfoliants that like have little grainy bits on it to actually like exfoliate my skin. And then the next exfoliant I got is from Dermalogica. I wanted to try their daily microfoliant. I heard this one was really popular and really good, so I wanted to try it. It's basically like a powder, and then it has like a little bit of like micro, I don't know, it's like rice powder or something, and then that like gently exfoliates your skin. I used this last night and it worked pretty well, and it's just so cute. I got it in the mini travel size one, and then another mini one I got the Paula's Choice Exfoliant 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. I did have a bigger bottle of this, I just don't know where it is. We recently moved and I haven't been able to find all my stuff, so I just got a mini bottle. And then two nude things I'm trying out as well. This one's the Ilia face milk. I've been watching a ton of like bridal makeup tutorial, and a lot of makeup artists use this, so I wanted to try it out. And then they also used the Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base. This one's like also a primer, and a lot of makeup artists was using this before their makeup, so I wanted to try it as well. Oh god, it got on my fingers. But it's like a lemony scent. It smells really nice. I got a lot of blushes because I really wanted to try out different colors, and since it's on sale and since it's for my wedding, I really wanted to go all out and kind of like have this capsule makeup set, I guess. And I just really wanted to find like the perfect shade for my wedding, so that's why I got a lot. First one I have is from Dior. This one is the Rosewood color. This is their Rosy Glow blush. I got it in the rosewood, and this is what it looks like. I don't know why, it kind of looks purple. A lot of makeup artists I've seen have this, but it doesn't look like this. I do own like the one in cherry. This is what it looks like. Maybe it's like an old version. This is what cherry and rosewood looks like side by side. Do a swatch. I've seen people say that Dior ones aren't as pigmented, but they're pretty pigmented to me. The bottom is rosewood and then the top is cherry. The cherry just gives like a nice glow, like a natural finish, even though it seems like very vibrant. But I don't know how I feel about this one. I thought it was gonna be a lot more nudie. This one kind of just looks like purpley to me, but I need to try that out. From House Labs, I got the Glassy Blush Balm. And it looks like this. I already used it and I really like the color of this one. I'll swatch it here. I like how it's more muted than this one. This one is in the color Glassy Hibiscus. It looks like that. I think I really like that color. Then I got this mini Rare Beauty Soft Pinch blush. It's so cute. It's so small. Oh, it is so small. Compare it with the House Labs. It's so tiny. So cute though. Looks like this one has more pigment. It's very blendable. I love the color. It's right here. I think this is like a nice natural glow. This is a really pretty color. Love this one. And then I got the Tower 28 Blur and Set Matte Powder Blush. I did want to try the Rare Beauty blush in this like powder form, but I thought I would try this one first since I already bought it in this mini one. And then this is kind of like a very muted blush color. This is in the shade Long Beach Iced Tea. It's like a nice neutral nude blush. It's very soft. It's very subtle. I can't wait to try this one. And then the last blush I got is from Say. It's their Super Suede Radiant Blush Powder. And I got it in Chow. This is what it looks like. Definitely more warm tone. Let's see. Yeah, it's like more orangey warm. Honestly, these are all like pretty similar from far away. You can tell like the kind of colors that I gravitate towards. I guess I'll try this one out. It's definitely different. It's definitely very pigmented. This brush is not the Hourglass. It's like some random one from TikTok shop that I found. Whoa. Oh my god. It's too pigmented. It's definitely very pigmented. I don't think I've worn this much blush before. Oh my gosh. Can't tell if it looks good because I don't have like a big mirror. So I hope it looks good. Here's a little side by side. This is like Hope from Rare Beauty, and then this is Chow from Say. Next, I have a bunch of Complexion products. I got this mini Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder last Sephora sale, and I got this in the medium shade last time. And for me, when this oxidized, it was a bit too orange for me, so I knew I had to get like the lightest one during this sale. And this way I can actually brighten my under eyes. So here's like the difference between the medium and the fair. I'll do a swatch. This is medium. I can't really tell because it's like my shade. And then this is the fair. Can you tell? The medium is definitely more orange. The fair shade kind of gives like a peachy tone, so that's why I got it. I think I'll use this one more for like the outside and then the lighter one for like brightening up here. But overall, I really do love these pressed powders. I've had this since November and I still haven't hit pan yet. So I think like these mini versions are definitely worth it. I don't use too much product, so I'm really glad I got these mini versions. And then more mini versions, I got the Hourglass Mini Vanish Powder. This is their airbrush press powder, and then this is their translucent setting powder. I really like Hourglass products, so I wanted to try these as well. And I just love how small this one is. It is so cute. And just these in general, I just love how small they are because I can just add it to my bag because I get really oily, so having like these pressed powders is a necessity for me. And look at this little puff, and this is what it looks like. You just have a puff right there. I do have like a little oil, so I'm just gonna test it out. It definitely mattifies right there. Yeah, I just love how cute it is. It's just so perfect. I can't wait to use this during the wedding throughout the day. I'll just have someone carry it and then I'll do my little touch-ups with this. I love how small and slim it is, and it even has like this little thing that just fits perfectly right here. It's so cute. And then the translucent setting powder. I just really wanted to try this. I've seen so many like content creators and makeup artists use this powder, so I really wanted to try it and compare it with the Huda Beauty and then Makeup by Mario powder. So I can't wait to try it out. And then the last complexion product is from Hourglass, and it's their ambient lighting bronzer. For the wedding, I don't really want to be like completely matte. Like I want it to be, I guess, like glowing. And so I did a lot of research and a lot of people really loved this ambient bronzer. And I'll do a swatch. I do have the Hourglass Dragon palette and I really loved like that baked formula. So I really wanted to try this one out. This is the swatch and I love how it's not too orange. It's just like the perfect neutral color. Especially for me, I don't want it to be like too orangey bronze. I just want like a nice subtle glow. Taking my fake Hourglass brush. I definitely see it. I don't think it's too orangey, but I feel like the camera is picking it up as more orangey. Also, like before I got engaged, I didn't really do makeup or anything, but now after I got engaged, like I just like want to do like more makeup and it's just so much fun. I don't know if the camera is picking up, but do you guys see it? I love how it's like a nice subtle glow. Like it's not too much. The only thing I wish is that they had like a mini version for this color. Next are brushes. I got the Haus Labs foundation brush and then also the Makeup by Mario F4 brush. I watched so many makeup gurus and bridal makeup artists and they love to use these brushes. I love the feeling of the Haus Lab one. So soft. And then also the Makeup by Mario. They're both really soft. Haus Lab is like more densely packed than this one, I think. Bristles on here are more separated and then this one is like more tightly packed. I love how it's slanted right here, so it gives like a nice angle and the brush is so thick, so it's really quick to apply your foundation and everything. Then I can't wait to use this tiny one for like blush or on this end. So yeah, I'm excited to try these. I didn't wash them yet, otherwise I would show you guys and test it on my face. Next are lip products. I got a bunch of lip products. I got this mini Makeup Forever liner in Wherever Walnut and I got it in like their holiday set. There was like a bunch of minis. I really love this color, so I wanted it in their waterproof formula and I'm wearing it right now and I think it looks so good, so natural, and this might be my lip combo for the wedding, so I'm really excited for this. And then I saw all over TikTok these Edam lip balms. I don't know how to pronounce it. So it's like an ultra cushioning lip treatment. It hydrates and then it also gently exfoliates, so I really love that. I got it in 2 shades. I got it in Butter Mochi and also the Fig Sauce. It's just clear for the Butter Mochi. I'm actually wearing Fig Sauce right now. Add some more. It's giving my lips but better. This is the swatch right here for Fig Sauce. I've been wearing this for like 2 days now and I love the formula of these. And they also have like a bunch of other colors which are gorgeous. And then I have 2 more glosses. This one is from Refi. It's in the color Rosewood. It's in this nice sleek packaging and then it also has a metal applicator just like this one. I didn't try this one yet. This one is definitely more sheer. I like the shade. It's like a nice pink. Now I'm deciding if I should return this one since this one is so light, but I need to test this one out first and then see if I like it. The last lip product is from Makeup Forever and I got this one. This is their Super Boost Gloss and I got it in the shade Wherever Walnut, so the same one as this one. I just wanted to match and see if it would be a good lip combo. This is what it looks like. It looks a little more brown. Let me swatch it. It's definitely more brown than it looked like online. I don't know how I feel about it. It's very brown. Let me try. I mean, I don't think it looks that bad, but I don't know if I want my lips to be brown for the wedding, so I might need to test this one out. And also the Refi gloss is like dripping down my arm, so I think this is definitely not like a thick consistency. I definitely prefer like a more thicker, stronger hold of a lip balm, so I don't know. Now I'm thinking these are more superior than this one, but we'll see. I need to test it out some more. And this one is like, it's like tingling my lips. Moisturizing Plumping Effect Lip Gloss. I just don't know how I like this one on my lips though. It's like it's too brown for me. Let me know what you guys think. And then the last 2 products are hair. I got the Moroccan Oil Hairspray in the Strong Finish. Then of course I wanted to try the Caritas Elixir. This is like the hair oil and I thought it'd be nice to have like a travel size for the wedding. This is what it looks like and I can't wait to try this one out. And that is the end of today's haul. It's definitely a lot. I spent a lot of money and I definitely am not going to be buying any more makeup after my wedding. Like this will last me basically my entire life. Like I don't need any more. But yeah, I'm gonna take a few days and test out all these products, and then if I do like return these, I'll make like a TikTok of all the things that I'm returning. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this Sephora haul. And let me know what you guys think of all the different shades and products I use. Let me know if you guys have any recommendations of products that you liked, or let me know of any recommendations for like wedding makeup. I would love to see it. But yeah, thanks for watching.